Hi, this is Ken from the BB Garage, and today I'm going to tell you how to convert your reformer tower combination into either just a reformer or just a tower. So it's a three-step operation. The first thing you do is you drop the risers, and I pull the pins out, put them down all the way. The next step is just drop the ropes, and then take the shoulders off. To do the shoulders, all you do is give this one turn max, push down, slide out, and they lift up, right? Same thing, one turn, push down, slide up, and lift up, okay? Next, release the springs, and we'll push the carriage all the way back, okay? And then we're going to drop the foot bar. Take out the safety locks, lift up, put it down, there you go. So now we're ready for the mats. The mats look the same from the outside, but on the inside you can tell they're a little bit different. So the one that goes towards the back end of the reformer has these little mud flaps on it. And the mud flaps are here to protect the pad from the push-through bar springs. They're adjustable. I always put them out so that they're really close to this little peg right here. And I find that puts them right in the middle of the part where the spring puts pressure on. So they're adjustable. And then you'll see on the other side, there's a seam, okay? The seams always go in the center of the reformer. So you know that this is the back because it's got the mud flaps. They go for the springs. You put that in there, put it down. Make sure your flaps are on the outside. Okay. That's ready, and my seam is in the middle. And then the way you can tell the front mat is if you look at the front mat, you'll see that these pegs are in the corners, these pegs are offset, okay? The seam is here. So now we know the seam is here, that goes in the middle, and the reason why these pegs are moved in a little bit is to make room on the platform. So it goes on like this. We slide that here, drop it in position, and you're ready to go. Thanks a lot. This is Ken from the BB Garage. I'll see you next time.